marriage life to you.
Enjoy, enjoy.
This message just for you. Please tell him he no look other girls.
Naina, enjoy.
Hello, Enjoya.
Yes, how are you doing, Naina, enjoy?
I'm good. How are you?
Happy Friday.
You too. Happy Friday.
You look enjoy with
I'm
Fridays.
always.
Yes, I can see you. You enjoy
Yes.
it, right? Habadera.
Habada.
Bakoradera. See. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Assalamualaikum. Juma Mubarak, Juma Nixon. Happy Friday.
Yes.
Yes. So today is Friday,
MashaAllah.
and we celebrate together with Enjoya. Friday we read Quran.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Suha wa so akhrini. Quran ka wa so akhrini.
Yes. After that we pray. When we finish pray, then we
enjoy, we fight.
we fight.
Yeah, we kill each other.
Yes, every day we fight and kill each
we
other.
enjoy together.
No, I don't want. No, you cheater.
Why?
No, I'm angry with you still.
You still angry?
You remember this?
Why you still angry?
Last
with
time
me?
I am not agree with you.
Okay, I still enjoy with you, right?
Whatever you want, but I am not agree with you.
I will make you enjoy. Don't worry.
If I give you permission, then nah.
Just put on your trust on me.
Never ever.
I will make you happy.
Never ever my trust.
Look,
Never ever.
I can even make you happy here. I will make you happy here. So give me a chance to make you happy.
I don't want no trust on you.
Why?
Yeah, because last time you cheated me. Before you promised me that you never do like this. Then when I say okay, I come, I follow you, okay? After that you change your words.
I never change it. Alan. Adana hero ya kidi ba so lawana inshallah. Ina enjoy.
Yes. So
Alhamdulillah, wait. Alhamdulillah, so we come back.
welcome back.
Why alhamdulillah saladan صدقني salada كل شيء بعد الصلاة.
Yes.
كل شيء بعد الصلاة.
So I don't want to any more fight. Today I am here with you because of some reason.
Okay.
So I want to wish for happy marriage life for one of my brother,
MashaAllah.
Kamaal
Abdul.
Kamaal Abdul and his wife Honey Momina.
MashaAllah.
Yes.
Honey moment enjoy. Congratulations.
Yes, on your wedding.
Wow.
So we are so happy for you that you got married, and we want to give you more prayers.
Yes.
That good life ahead, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Shadi Mubarak. Happy.
Shadi Mubarak. What means?
My language.
My language. Okay, you can even add more.
Yes.
More words to your language.
Allah आपको बहुत खुशियाँ दे.
Ameen.
May Allah give you more happiness. So we are so happy for you. You must share your happiness with us. Your pictures with us. Your wedding pictures. We are waiting for that.
Yes. Tell him, Kamaal, that you don't look another girl, but this is
Message for my brother. Brother, you are my brother, Kamaal.
Yes.
So this message just for you. Please tell him he no look other girls.
not to me. Tell him. Him.
Already he got married. He knows so.
No.
But you.
He likes more knock. I love you. Knock. Like
No.
you.
He's so good. I know about him. I know met him, but I know about him.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
you watch his videos.
yes,
Okay.
and you also tell me about him. Okay.
Yes, I know.
So about him.
بكرة أنا إيه كان دخينه سأوجدها بكرة أنا إيه كان دخينه سأوجدها لكن enjoy واي ولي بوحة enjoy كي أكو بخبخي ayada u taala laakiin enjoy ka dhigaa teeda kale saaxiib waxaan ku leeyahay hambalyo hambaliyada maanta ma ka daalo meeqa janaal wax ku soo duubi keyga kii aamina kii enjoyada waa sii socotaa wali kii muhanadaa dhiman kii kale imaan gudoomiye baclaa dhiman waxaan ku leeyahay saaxiib congratulations for your enjoy your marriage adiga iyo dumaashideena quruxda badan hane moomin waxaan idin leeyahay guurkiina guur khayr gurigiina gurinaga guulow ka yal we sing ya guurkiina guur khayr gurigiina gurinaga sing gurigiina guur khayr gurigiina gurinaga guulow ka yal
happy marriage life to you
enjoy waay wariya naxaska tahay was xabadeeda waxaan ku leeyahay caruur qurux badan wada dhalan ilmo awlaad badan ilaahay idin siiyo guurkiina ha noqdo midkii aad ku nasan lahayd ku waari lahayd ku degi lahayd ku enjoy kuna khaleed ayaan ku rajeynayaa saaxiib macaan brother man saaxiibow inoola waan ku leeyahay nasiib waa leedahay gabadhaasaa heshay waa ku faraxsanahay enjoy aad tahay so what are you gonna say to our Dumashi sister-in-law honey?
Yes, I know Dumashi. So I want to tell my sister-in-law that inshallah we will meet soon with you. Inshallah I hope you come here and then we will meet and we make a video with you. I want to see you inshallah soon.
Inshallah we will come to you our place.
Yes, you will. We not come.
Yes,
you will. We invite you. We invite because
yes.
They got married. That's why this our duty. We must invite them.
Definitely.
Okay. So we invite you. Please come to us and
we will
visit
make
us.
you more enjoyer.
Yes, and you feel so good when you meet with me. Just meet with me, not him.
Why? What about me,
I am
Naina?
good.
Please.
I am more good than you.
You try always to break my enjoyer. Please don't try. You know I will enjoy with you.
I am just making. Okay, sorry.
It hurts too much hurt so long, and I am still feel the pain.
Okay.
Anyway, waxaan ku leeyahay DJ Kamaal.
He will be
Congratulations
okay
for your
after
marriage.
5 minutes.
Yes, because of his happiness of marriage
Yes.
to my brother.
Yes, because Kamaal marriage, he is so happy. He
I am
also
happy.
want to do so after 1 week his marriage also.
Inshallah.
Huh?
Don't be. Yes. You right. I will make you ring. Why?
For her,
For you. Yes, for her and for you.
not for
Both
this.
of you. Don't be.
Not me.
Both of you.
Not me.
Both of you.
Not me. Okay, brother, happy marriage life. We love you. We love your wife also. Please come to us.
Yes. Marka muuqaalka ma doonayn inuu halkan kasii dheeraado only waxay aad inaan walaalkeena dhahno hambalyo iyo dumaashideena hambalyo. Okay, anything to say?
No.
Yes. Waa ku mahadsantihiin daawashada quruxda badan ee muuqaalka xiga inta aan ku kulmayna waxaan ka tagaynaa bash iyo barwaaqi caafimaad insha Allah.
Bye bye.
Bye.